Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're discussing the best motherboard for Ryzen 5 7600X. Okay guys, so this one is one of the best mid-range processors for gaming and productivity, and pairing it with the right motherboard is crucial. But with so many options, how do you choose the best one? In this video we'll break down the top 5 motherboards for this processor, highlighting their features, strengths, and what makes each stand out. Okay, as you can see, I already have the first contender on the screen, of course, with the corresponding prices, and it's Gigabyte X670 Aorus Master. So let us discuss this one. So first up, we have this motherboard. It's designed for enthusiasts. This board features robust power delivery with a 20+2+2 phase, a VRM setup ensuring stability during overclocking. So if you're looking into overclocking, you can do it as well on this board. It supports DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0, which is great, and offers advanced cooling solutions, making it perfect for those who want to achieve the best performance. Plus, its sleek design with RGB customization will look amazing and stunning in any build. Guys, the second contender is MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. So this one is a motherboard known for its excellent balance between price and performance, with a 14+2+1 power phase design, dual M.2 slots with Gen 4 support, and integrated Wi-Fi 6E. It's a all-rounder that delivers top-notch performance without breaking the bank. Okay, under number 3 we have the Gigabyte B650M Aorus Elite AX. So guys, if you're looking for a compact powerhouse, a Gigabyte Aorus Elite AX is a great choice. The micro ATX board offers features like Wi-Fi 6E, a robust 12+2+1 power phase design, and support for DDR5 memory. It's ideal for small form factor builds without sacrificing performance. Okay, so the next one is the MSI X670E Gaming Plus. It is tailored for gamers who demand high performance. With its PCIe 5.0 support, 4 M.2 slots, and a robust VRM design, this board can handle intense gaming sessions with ease. It also features MSI's Core Boost and Audio Boost technologies for a superior gaming experience. Also guy, a small tip for you, I actually have this board and it's absolutely fantastic, and it's actually installed in the PC that I'm recording from. This board is absolutely fantastic in terms of the performance it gives you, 4 M.2 slots, which is insane. It's so comfortable. It supports RGB. It's just overall an amazing board. Overall, just super nice. I took it for about this price here in my region. It's absolutely fantastic. I give to this exact motherboard, I give you my personal recommendation. Highly recommend picking up this board. Okay, and lastly, the Asus Prime B650 Plus is a reliable option for creators and professionals. It combines a robust power delivery system with advanced connectivity options like USB 3.2, Gen 2, and a dedicated header for AIO coolers. Its understated design makes it a versatile choice for various builds. So guys, there you have it, 5 boards. The top 5 for Ryzen 5 6600X. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a compact workstation, or a all-round powerhouse, there's a motherboard here for you to choose. So which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Of course guys, do not forget that you can find the links to each and every single one of these products in the video description. Don't forget about that. Thank you for watching guys. Press like if you liked the video, subscribe. See you next time.